액션 let's go 저 건물을 찾으러
Hello everyone, this time I will explain what is hortatory exposition and what the words on hortatory exposition. An exposition contains argument why a thesis has been presented. Exposition is based on a thesis and supporting reasons or arguments and can be either analytical, persuades that the thesis is well formulated, or hortatory, persuades to do what the thesis recommends. Hortatory exposition is a type of spoken or written text that is intended to explain the listener or readers that something should or should not be done. Hortatory exposition is designed to persuade people to do something. Hortatory exposition is more like speech and is commonly found in editorials, letters to the editor, and so on. They can also be found in scientific books, journals, articles, newspapers, and academic speech. There are three social functions of hortatory exposition. The first, to persuade the readers or listener that something should or should not happen or be done. The second, to persuade the readers to do something. And the third, to persuade the readers to do what the thesis recommends. The general structure of hortatory exposition is that first there is thesis, second there are arguments, and third there is recommendation. Thesis, it presents the topic and the reader's point of view about the topic discussed. Arguments, this part consists of a series of arguments which strengthen the thesis and lead to a recommendation. Recommendation, it presents the statement of what ought not to happen. There are 12 language features of hortatory exposition. The first, focus on generic human and non-human participants. The second, expressions of giving opinion, such as I think, in my opinion, I personally believe. The third, simple present tense. The fourth, passive voice. The five, mental process, to state what the reader thinks or feels about the issues. The sixth, material process, to state what happens. Seven, use of relational process, to state what is or should be, such as become, are, is, seem. The eighth, abstract nouns, such as depression, anxiety. The ninth, modal verbs and modal adverbs. The tenth, temporal conjunction, to show the list of given arguments, such as firstly, secondly, and finally. The 11, evaluative words. The 12, process of giving examples, such as for example, such is, or for instance. The importance of reading. I personally think that reading is a very important activity in your life. Why do I say so? Firstly, by reading we can get a lot of knowledge about many things in the world, such as science, technology, sport, arts, culture, etc. written in either books, magazine, newspaper, etc. Secondly, by reading we can get a lot of news and information about something happening in any parts of the world which can we see directly. Another reason, reading can give you pleasure too. When we are tired, we read books, novel, comic, newspaper, or magazine on the entertainment column such as comedy, short story, quiz, etc. to make you relax. The last, reading can also take you to other parts of the world. By reading a book about Irian Jaya, we may feel we are really sitting in the jungles, not at home in our rooms. From the facts above, it's obvious that everyone needs to read to get knowledge, information, and also entertainment. Or in summary, we can say reading is truly important in our life.